Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. I saw an interesting article on the wesh.com website indicating it was actually a follow-up story to a story from last week where a jogger over in Brevard County in the Cocoa area had been killed by a hit-and-run driver. Well, apparently the vehicle that was involved in the accident has been located. The vehicle apparently was found at a residence. The vehicle doesn't have a registration or a license tag, but the vehicle was not reported stolen. So that sort of brings up some interesting legal issues that I thought I would discuss with our viewers. First of all, in Florida, the owner of a motor vehicle is strictly liable for whatever damage is caused by that automobile, subject to a couple of exceptions, such as if the vehicle is stolen or something like that. But if the vehicle is used by someone with permission, then ultimately it's the owner of the vehicle that bears the responsibility for what happens with that vehicle, including injuring or killing someone. So it'll be interesting to find out who owns the vehicle. The police haven't indicated who the owner of the vehicle is, but it would be interesting, since it wasn't reported as stolen, it'd be interesting to know if that person, what that person's story is in terms of how the vehicle got out on the roads and how it was being used and how it ultimately tragically killed this jogger. The problem with the vehicle not being registered and this sort of thing is it seems very unlikely that there would be automobile insurance to cover such an incident. So it would probably, if this family was inclined to, the family of the jogger was inclined to seek compensation in the accident for the loss of their loved one, it's unlikely that the owner of the vehicle is going to have the ability to respond to them with damages if there's no insurance. The vehicle apparently is not titled, so it doesn't sound like someone who's super responsible and somebody who's taking care of their own business. This is yet another reason why we preach time and time again the importance of carrying uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage on your own automobile policy. If the jogger who was killed had a vehicle and he had uninsured motorists on his policy, then his family would have access to that coverage and may be able to recover damages for the loss of his life, the support that he may or may not have given to his family. If he had children, their pain and suffering, or a wife, and that sort of thing. So again, uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage is critically important, particularly in Florida, where a lot of people aren't doing the responsible thing and carrying automobile insurance, or they're letting their vehicle get borrowed or whatever happened in this particular accident. So if you have any questions regarding a Florida car accident or a Florida wrongful death case, please call me or my law partner, Robert Hemphill. Our number is 407-254-4901, or you can visit our website at cullen-hemphill.com. We are always available to answer questions for free. Consultations are never cost anything, and they're always no obligation. We'd be happy to answer your questions and let you know what your rights are.